Hello and welcome back to Blogging Good Food, where we explore the art of cake aesthetic decorating, whether it's a special occasion or just a sweet craving. We have got you covered. Let's start with some cake aesthetic simplicity. Sometimes less is more. These cake designs showcase elegance and style. Now let's talk about presentation. Cake stand ideas can take your cake to the next level. Check out these creative ways to display your masterpiece. Looking for some cake decoration tips? We have got you covered with expert advice and ideas to make your cakes look professionally decorated. So get ready to be amazed by unique cake designs that push the boundaries of creativity. These cakes are true works of art. Whether it's spring, summer, fall, or winter, find seasonal cake inspiration to match the time of year and make your celebrations truly special. Fondant is like the canvas for cake decoration. Dive into the world of fondant artistry where skilled hands transform cakes into edible masterpieces. Learn about techniques, tools, and stunning fondant creations. It's not just about looks, it's about taste too. Discover delectable cake flavor combinations that will leave your taste buds dancing with joy. Explore unique and mouth-watering flavor pairings that go beyond the ordinary. Cake decorating is not always a cake walk. Learn about common cake challenges and how to overcome them. From cracked fondant to uneven layers, we will provide solutions and tips to help you tackle any cake obstacle. Embrace dietary restrictions without compromising on taste. Discover a world of vegan and gluten-free cake options that cater to various dietary needs. Learn how to bake delicious, allergen-friendly cakes that everyone can enjoy. Delve into the rich history and traditions of cake making from around the world. Explore the fascinating stories behind iconic cakes, traditional recipes, and the cultural significance of these delectable treats. There you have it, folks. We hope you found this video helpful. Visit our website blogginggoodfood.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and happy baking!